been a while since I've uploaded. And there's a reason for that.
I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing.
Well guys, welcome back. As you saw, that video segment was taken from a beautiful place in the Dominican Republic. And yeah, most of you guys might be thinking, hey, is Tutor Sector dead? I mean, this guy hasn't uploaded in 4 months. I should probably subscribe to this channel, right? And before you guys unsubscribe, I just gotta tell you something. Tutor Sector is not dead. This channel is not dead. This channel is not a dead channel. I'm going to continue cranking out the videos, but there is a reason why there was a long wait. And that has to do with, first of all, the pandemic that is going around the world called COVID-19. But you guys are probably saying, oh wait, but your last video was in April and that's the highest peak in the coronavirus. And yes, that is true, but as you saw, I took that video from my house, from the backyard of my house. And if you want to fly a drone and if you want to take great videos with your drone, you have to go to big, beautiful places. Well, not necessarily, but it's recommended to go to bigger places to fly a drone. And if I kept flying my drone in my backyard, it would have gotten a little boring. The second reason was because of school. I had a lot of schoolwork to do, and I know that's a excuse almost every YouTuber does, but it's true. I did have a very big amount of schoolwork I had to get done. It was the end of the year, a lot of finals were coming, and I just had to get that stuff done, and I had to postpone YouTube for that reason.
Dude, tell this guy to stop.
Dude,
tell this guy to
don't
stop,
do
bro.
it.
Tell him before
Dude,
he
you're
does
gonna
it.
regret it.
Don't do it. I'm telling you, man. You have more to this. You're better than this. Come on,
gosh,
man.
Headphone users, please take my advice and lower your head.
Oh god, he's actually doing it. Dude, no! Come on, dude. No, why are you ruining it, dude? Stop! Why can't we
I'm raging more!
Why is he so annoying? Big Boo! Little Boo! Get out of here!
Hey guys, let's get that stinking gloomy voice out of here. Come on. Okay, on this channel, you guys can expect the drone videos that you just saw right here. You can also expect some, some electronic videos, because obviously drones are made out of electronics, so wouldn't that be fun to find out how to build one? So yeah, we're also going to talk about electronic videos. We're also going to talk about construction, because if you guys didn't already notice, I'm building something in my backyard. If you guys want to know what I'm building in my backyard, you guys are going to have to go back into one of the earlier videos. I recommend going into the Mavic Pro review video if you haven't seen that. And if you also haven't seen the Mavic Pro unboxing, I also recommend you guys looking at that video. But if you guys go onto one of those videos, you're going to find out exactly what I'm building. I don't explain in detail, but you guys do see what I'm building. Okay, moving on. So, yeah, guys, that's really what you can expect on this channel. This channel, I know, again, I haven't uploaded in a very long time, and I'm sorry for that. But hopefully this video makes up for it, and hopefully the videos that are to come also help make up for the absence. So yeah, guys. So how do you say that again? So with further ado, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. So with further ado, I hope that's how you say it. With further ado, this has been Tutor Sector.